Hi, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the specific steps to check a member's last active time and how to use that data to keep your projects on track. Step 1. Accessing the workspace. Start by opening ClickUp in your web browser. Navigate to the Login button at the top right of the home page. If your team uses Google Workspace, simply select Sign in with Google and choose your account to be taken directly to your dashboard. This dashboard serves as your central hub, displaying all current tasks, projects, and overall team activity at a glance. Step 2. Navigating to the Teams view. Once your dashboard has loaded, look over at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Locate and click on the Teams option. From the 3 views presented, you'll want to choose All People. This specific view provides a comprehensive list of every single member currently added to your workspace, showing you their names, their specific roles, and a current activity indicator for each person. Step 3. Checking last active timestamps. To get the exact details on a specific person, simply hover your mouse cursor over that member's name or their profile icon. A small pop-up known as a tooltip will appear instantly. This tooltip provides the contextual information you need by displaying the exact timestamp of that member's most recent activity. Just make sure you have the proper permissions enabled in your workspace settings to view these team activity logs accurately. Step 4. Taking action on inactivity. Identifying activity is only the first part. The real value is in how you respond. If you see that a member has been inactive for an extended period, you can follow up with a direct message or email to check on their progress. If necessary, you can reassign their pending tasks to an active teammate or adjust your project deadlines to keep your timelines realistic and maintain team accountability. By regularly reviewing these activity logs, you can spot participation trends and ensure your workload is balanced fairly across the entire team. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.